Hello, good morning guys. So today is June 14, 2024 and Friday. It's weekend and then excited for the holiday. So start pa ng holiday dito bukas pero kasi Eid Mubarak. So pero 4 days lang po yung hindi tayo pupunta sa office. Ayan. So, kasi natamaan yung Saturday and Sunday, which is off po talaga namin yon. So, Monday and Tuesday lang yung holiday para sa amin. So, and guys, kabababa ko lang po sa train and then transfer po tayo sa tram. Ayan. So, medyo nakakahinga lang konti. And hopefully, hindi naman po tayo malate kasi maaga pa naman. So, I still have time. Minutes. Ayan, habol naman natin guys. Kaya pa. So, 8:45 at the top. Successful. Then, waiting for the tram.